start with my beachwaver. I have the beachwaver S1, so that's the 1-inch barrel. So the beachwaver comes in a 3/4 inch barrel, a 1-inch barrel, and a 1 1/4 inch barrel. This is amazing, no problems with it. Even with the length of my hair, the 1-inch works great. So I just washed my hair and just finished brushing it out. And now I'm going to wait a while for my hair to air dry because I don't like to blow dry it. So let's wait, shall we? Okay, so my hair is now dry. So now I can start curling. So the beachwaver S1 goes up to 410 degrees, but I've only ever used it at 390. So I've never even had to actually use it at the max heat. All right, so what I often do is I separate just like the top layer of my hair and I leave that until the end to curl. So I just kind of wrap it around a clip there, leave it to the side. Okay, so let me explain this here. So there's these arrow buttons on the beachwaver. Maybe a little bit hard to see here. So left or right, and then there's a home button. So when I'm curling my left side of my head, I always do the curls facing away from my face. You can do them whichever way you please. You can switch it up, but I leave mine in the same direction. So on the left side of my head, I point the curls away from my face, so I hit the arrow pointing to my left as well. And when I'm done curling, I just kind of throw it to the back there. You don't even have to hold it for 5 seconds. It curls so fast, so easy. And I actually find the self-rotating barrel to be so much faster for me. Okay, so left side of my head here is curled. As you can see, it's very, very curly. Moving on to the right side of my head here, I'm gonna do the same thing. Just roughly grab the top layer of my hair there, wrap it around this clip, throw it to the other side out of my way, and proceed. Clamp, turn, move to the bottom, continue turning. You get the hang of it very quickly. You quickly realize how easy it really is to use, how fast it is to use, and how amazing it works. Freaking love it! I finished here. You hit the home button and it resets your wand. So the clamp is at the front, making it easier for you to navigate. Also, for the length of my hair, this really doesn't take me long whatsoever. It's fantastic. Bam. I'm going to take my brush and quickly whip it through here just to loosen my curls a little bit. That's it, guys. This is the Beachwaver S1. Beautiful.